So, Pooh Bear, would you like me to read you a book?
Well, what's a book, David?
Well, when I was your age, streaming video was called books. And this is a special book. It's got words and pictures.
What's it about?
Well, it's about a lot of things. Grasshoppers and galaxies, storms, sunsets, clouds, snowfalls, rainbows, and long walks on the beach at sunset. And it's got a lot of poetry. You like poetry, don't you, Pooh?
Oh, I love poetry. I've written some myself. Are there any poems about honey?
Ha! Are you kidding? No, actually, there's no poems about honey.
Oh, okay, well, I guess you can read the book anyway.
Okay, thank you, Pooh. Okay, well, let's start with a walk in the 100-acre wood. I know you love that.
Oh, yes. Let's go on a walk in the woods. Maybe we'll find a honey pot.
I don't think there's any honey there, Pooh. You know, the forest is nice in any season. The summer when it's so full like a green wall, and then in the fall whenever the leaves come down, and then in the winter when you can reach up and touch the sky with your finger. Then we'll take off flying into the great blue yonder and witness all sorts of strange and incredible things. We'll have a few exciting and sometimes scary moments up there in the sky. Then we'll dive into deep space, go skipping along the stars, riding a nebula. We'll never want to go back home, but we will, down to our own backyard where we'll sit by the pond and sip our lemonade while we talk about all the places we've been.
But David, you told me there were no honey pots.
What do you mean, Pooh?
Do you remember the rainbow?
Yes.
Well, there was a little pot of honey right at the bottom.
Oh, now that I look, I can see it too, Pooh. Oh, well, what should we do about that?
Well, eat it, of course.
That's a great idea, Pooh. Let's go have ourselves a smackerel of honey.
That's great, David. Let's go.
Well, thank you, Pooh. This is such a wonderful adventure. Oh, look, I think I see it up here. Huh? Let's go find out.